persen ngapelut hairasyon 20% ngapelut api Kijing pensyoy jong pilih mengkasi Ngapoy ngabeli Ngapoy ngabeli
Hello everyone, welcome back all to
gabsgabitv.
This is Gabsgabi,
My name is Samsona,
aka
no nonsense.
No Nonsense.
Alright?
In Nigerian they will say no wahala. No wahala means
No problem.
no problem.
No
Okay?
yawa.
Hope everyone there is doing well, guys. Hope there is no problem. So today I'm going to react to one of my favorite songs, guys. Actually, I love this Khasi song because previously I listened to it and I found the vibe is lit.
Akadi.
Khadi. Khadi. I don't know what does it mean.
Tell us in the comment section
Yeah.
below.
So we have Eezy feat Lyngdoh. Lyngdoh is a very good musician out there in Meghalaya. Yeah, this is the two singers. Make sure to subscribe and do check out our music video on our pra, guys. You will definitely love it. Subscribe now. Let's go.
Let us jump in.
Khadi. Khadi.
This video is
Smoking
meant
and
for
drinking
entertainment
is
purpose.
injurious to
Copyright
your health.
strictly prohibited.
We are
Smoking
not
and
here to
drinking is
promote
indoors,
any
yes.
smoking or drinking. We are here to promote music,
Guys,
dance,
please
and love.
save your
Shake
life.
your bum bum. Shake your bum bum. Bum bum. Don't drink, guys. Don't smoke. We don't even do that. Yes. Start. Khadi. I'll show you Lyngdoh. His sound is so good also, Lyngdoh. This is Lyngdoh. Easy is here. I'm going to sing, huh? You will sing Khadi.
Singkim
I am
step
Lyngdoh.
Day magbibawan
Oh, subtitle is there.
Boy jong berkajongan
The first thing that
Abang tiang ngam juhun klamda Daya pihak kasun terjongan Pun kisah rang kiba aplan hikmat jong Pi tambah bawan yang kong bedai mengah Namar ngati ya pi kacing sosi
Wait,
It's talking about alcohol, right?
yeah, that is why they say the smoke. They are not here to promote.
Alcohol and cigarette, smoking.
They're in this music video. They're expressing how they love.
The influence of the alcohol and the cigarette. And
Yeah, they love drinking and smoking.
smoking.
Yeah, this is the music video all about. But there, they have to put restriction that they are not here to promote. That.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So now you're going to read the
Subtitle.
English subtitle, and I will sing in
The local
Khasi
language.
okay? Because I know this. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh hakadi, oh hakadi, di bom juhi yang ngan. Oh hakadi, udah mati. Papus lori yang abang nong persen ngapelut hairasyon 20% ngapelut api Kijing pensyoy jong pilih mengkasi Ngapoy ngabeli Ngapoy ngabeli Bandi pida-pida lang si Borni Hadian dayo bisa Ngapoy tit yang ya pisang Kiba aplan hikmat Pi tambah bawan yang kong bedai mga Namar ngati ya
What I see you over, watch on my sorrow.
Oh, Khadi.
Oh, Akadi.
Hey, wait, there's two.
What's wrong, bro?
What's happening?
It's hiding, it's hiding.
Sorry.
Don't please, hold your please. Let me off. They're pulling you off, bro. Alcohol is pulling you off. That's not fun.
Why are you running?
Why are you running for me?
Oh hakadi,
You can run, but you
oh
cannot hide.
hakadi
Oh, you cannot run from water.
yang ngan. Oh hakadi, udah mati. Papus lori yang abang nong
Now they're failing now.
They're pouring me to become a father. I'm on my life. Ah, guys, guys, this is message to the youth outside there. I believe you guys not to drink, not to smoke.
Yes,
Because
sir.
drinkers, smokers are liable to die young.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
please, and please
Stay
take
safe.
care
Stay
of
healthy.
yourself. Please don't surround yourself with negative people who are into drink, drugs, or whatever it is. Please let us save the world. Let us save each other. I beg you guys, don't drink, don't smoke, and most importantly, don't drink and drive also.
Okay.
Okay? Because you might ended up in jail,
Yes, sir.
grave,
Somewhere you don't like.
Seriously.
Yeah.
We care about you. You are valid. You are
We love
important.
you, okay?
And we love you. Please stay
So
safe.
take care of
Okay?
yourself. I'm
Alright?
from Africa.
Message, love from Africa.
Yeah.
Don't forget
this what? Don't forget. Yeah.
to like,
subscribe. Okay.
share, and subscribe.
But I need to add one thing, guys. Like, previous I reacted to this group of guys.
Mm.
The title of the music video we reacted was Suki Suki, something like that. Suki Suki. The same musician was there, but they gave copyright.
Mm.
So I'm like, okay, guys, if you would love to see us reacting on your music video,
Kindly permit us.
give us permission. Don't give
Permission.
us copyright. If you're
Yeah.
giving us copyright, we feel like you are not giving us permission. So
Yeah.
we rather react to other people
Other
who
people.
are giving us no
Permission.
copyright.
Yeah,
no copyright, right? We are here to share love, to learn about the Khasi people, their music, their talent, their culture, and promoting the Khasi people.
And most
at the same
important,
time.
we're not catching.
So please
we're
don't
not
give us
catching
copyright,
clouds.
guys. Remove the copyright.
We are not chasing clouds. We are just
Yeah.
trying to reflect.
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, for some of the people back home.
Actually, we do
worldwide,
have friends
don't know about
from
Meghalaya
Meghalaya,
and
guys.
everything.
They are the one suggesting us
Suggesting
to
us,
start
yeah.
reacting on that. Okay.
Mm.
So without them, we wouldn't have been reacting so far.
Mm-hmm.
So kindly, we're asking the singers, don't give copyright, guys. And we are promoting you at the same time. So love from Africa. Thank you so much. Say no for alcohol drink. Thank you. Subscribe to us and make sure to subscribe to them because they are your own people, guys. Peace out.